Hello friends, I welcome you to this video. You can speak like me like this, whatever you want to say. So in this video, I want to teach you how you can talk like me. Say whatever you want to say, discuss anything, even if you're a teacher in your classroom. Just watch this video and see how I did it. Thank you. Welcome back to our channel, the Chima Dedicated Video channel. Here in this video, I want to show you how to make a cartoon animation from audio. A cartoon animation where you can speak whatever you want that to say. So it's going to be very brief. So I'll be telling you some tools you need to do this. Then one of the first tools here I want you to use is this tool. Just search for this tool, try to download it. Now look at it. Look at this tool. Please go to your Play Store. It's called Crick. C-R-I-K. Just download, install, and sign up with it. Now once you sign up, let's go there and use it. I'm going to tell you the first thing you do, because the first thing you need to do is to generate an audio. But what we're actually trying to do now, you might still do it without generating an audio, but I want to generate an AI audio. Why I want to do that with this script? Because I want the sound to be like an AI voice. For some of our voices are, crack voice. You may not like their voice, but if you think your voice is okay, you may avoid what I want to do now. But let's still try this. So I click on Crick. I want to create an AI audio now. So look at this. If you look at down here, you see this plus sign down here. That's create. We're going to create a new audio. So click on new project and now put your file name. Now you may call the file name project 4. That's what I want to call this file name, project 4. I save it, project 4. Now having saved to project 4, now I want to click on that project 4 because I want to create a file. That's an audio file, AI audio file. So I click on that project 4. Now having clicked on it, the system says you have not yet added any file. So I click on that plus sign down here again and choose type text. Type text, because I want to convert text to a voice. Now before I type the text, let me give you a file name. So I'm going to touch on this pencil icon to change the file name. So my file name is what? Let me say cartoon audio. That's what I want to call the file name, so that when it's saved, I will remember it. Cartoon audio, save. Now having saved, I can now type what I want to type. Look at what I want the cartoon to say. Hello friends, good day. Please, can one of us tell me why some citizens, especially poor ones, support and defend corrupt politicians? I'm really worried. I'm really worried about this. So having written this, I click on create. I just use this. You can do anything, you can write anything. So that is your business. Having clicked on create, you can see the thing is there, cartoon audio. So but I want to play it. So let me still touch that place so that you can open now fully. Just watch. So the file have finally created. So you can now touch to play it here. Now it's opening up. Just watch.
Hello friends, good day. Please can any one of us tell me why some citizens, especially poor ones, support and defend corrupt politicians? I am really worried about this.
Do you get it? Let me play it again.
Hello friends, good day. Please can any one of us tell me why some citizens, especially poor ones, support and defend corrupt politicians? I am really worried about this.
Now I see it. Now when you put something like this, you can see this is the voice of a female. That's one of the limitations of this particular app. There are so many other apps, text to audio app. If you have them, you can use them. It's not compulsory and you must use this one. Now I want to show another thing. If you click on this side where you have this setting icon, you see that the speed of this is ×1. If you want to increase the speed, it means it's going to run faster. If you want to decrease it, but I think this is the perfect speed. So at this point now, I want to download this particular thing. Now let me download it. So I'm going to click on these 3 lines up here and I click on download. It's going to download. Now, having downloaded, please click on file, open it by file so that it will be on your file. You cannot forget it, please. Just watch. So I've downloaded this voice. It's an audio, cartoon audio. That's what I saved it with. Now, having done that, I'm going to do the last part of this. Remember, we are creating a cartoon animation from audio. So look at the file. The audio file is here. Now let's now look at the final part of this video. So what do you do next? Once you are done generating the audio from Creek or whatever, then the next you do, you are going to see, check that particular link on this video description. You click on that link, it will take you to, through your Chrome browser. If you are using Chrome browser as your, default browser, it's very important. So it will take you to the site, the web page. You are going to see something like this: animate from audio, Adobe Express. Now, let me tell you the next thing you do, please. You have 3 things here. You are having number 1, character, background, then size. Under character, now look at the characters you are using. This one is a pumpkin. Please look at this one, skeleton. Possibly you might use any character as that cartoon, you understand? Imagine using skeleton that is, talking and all that. You are seeing so many of them, like this one say headless horseman. This one is jet, witch, warthog, ash. So you see, so many. You can make any choice of this. Any of these things, you can choose them to achieve your purpose. You understand? Please. So this one is bandit, pirate. So you see, there are a lot of free. This is a free choose. So choose whatever you want here. Okay, this one is Maria. I even like this. Since I'm using a voice, okay, this is a robot. Okay, I can use this robot. That's fine. That's fine. I love this. Now I go to background. If I think that this background I have here is not okay, I can go to background to choose a background, or I can upload an image. So this background is not too bad. Okay, this one. What of this one? No. Okay, let me use this one. This is good. Now, at this point, I will either record, like I told you, you can easily record your voice, exactly what you want this thing to say, or since I have a voice record from AI, I can upload it. So you have a choice to make. Now I go to media, and this is my voice. This is cartoon audio. It's coming up. Just pay attention. Let's wait for it. Once it concludes, we'll replay it and now download it. You can see the audio is compressing, is moving. So once you get to 100%, you just do the last part of it and it will be ready. Just let's watch and see how it goes. And you're going to listen to this and see what happens right away. This is compressing 100%. So it's ready. Can we play it now? This is just 14 seconds. Let's play.
Hello friends, good day. Please can any one of us tell me why some citizens, especially poor ones, support and defend corrupt politicians? I am really worried about this.
Do you hear it?
Hello friends, good day. Please can any one of us tell me why some citizens, especially poor ones, support and defend corrupt politicians? I am really worried about this.
Now, having done this, the next thing you're going to do is to click on share so they can download this. You can still edit it if you want. Now, I want to download this by sharing directly. I can click on more to share directly to anywhere. So let me just share directly to my Facebook. I want to share directly to my Facebook feed. I will also share to, now your video have been shared. It's okay. So you can always share as many places as possible.